Warning, in this video you'll see the killing of flies, bugs, and worms. Disgusting critters that must be eradicated.
This is a rabbit that I shot at Highland Hill Farm. We're a tree farm, and so we usually shoot rabbits on site because they carry all kinds of diseases. And in this case, this one had botflies in it called a wolfworm. This rabbit was shot because it was inside a greenhouse. We kill all rabbits we see in greenhouses because they can do a lot of damage to our trees. So I thought you might be interested to see what a rabbit looks like when it's infected with wolfworms. We have a hunter access program at Highland Hill Farm. If you are a rabbit hunter, if after viewing this video you want to hunt rabbits in order to eat them, you're welcome to come to Highland Hill Farm. We have a hunter access program for rabbits and deer, for groundhogs and things like that. No fox hunting because foxes eat rabbits and mice. We're located on Route 313 in Fountainville, PA, and I hope you enjoy this video of this ugly looking wolfworms in a rabbit that we just recently shot.
How many did poor bunny have?
I don't know, bunch.
Would it have killed it?
I don't think so.
Go wash your hands real well.
Yeah, well. Okay, hit the button.
Give us a call at Highland Hill Farm for your trees and shrubs. 215-651-8329. We ship from Fountainville, PA, Milan, PA, Lenore, North Carolina, and McMinnville, Tennessee. Thank you.
898-9115. Correct. Yes, they are. 1098.